How to delete a WordPress theme. Removing old and unused themes is considered a good practice that protects your WordPress website from vulnerabilities. So let's begin. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Hover your cursor over Appearance and click the Themes option. It shows the total number of themes available, which is currently 5. Now hover your cursor over the theme you want to delete and then click on Theme Details. In the bottom right corner, there is a Delete option. Go and click Delete. Then agree to the confirmation pop-up window. Scroll up and see a total of 4 themes are remaining now. 1 theme has been deleted. Similarly, you can delete unused themes one by one. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.